Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Kia Sorento's AC system. First, safety is paramount. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from refrigerant and other fluids. Make sure your engine is completely off and cool to the touch before you begin. Then, locate the low-pressure AC service port, which is usually found on the passenger side of the engine bay. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth process. Now, let's gather the necessary tools for this job. You'll need an AC recharge kit, which typically includes a hose and a pressure gauge. Crucially, you'll also need a can of R134, a refrigerant, specifically designed for your vehicle's system. For the best results, ensure your refrigerant can is at room temperature. This helps the refrigerant flow smoothly into your AC system, making the process more efficient and effective. With your tools ready, it's time to begin the recharge. Start your Kia Sorento's engine and turn the air conditioning to its maximum cold setting with the fan on high. Next, securely connect the recharge hose to the low-pressure service port you located earlier. Once connected, slowly squeeze the trigger on the refrigerant can, adding the refrigerant in short bursts. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge to avoid overfilling the system. Finally, let's verify your AC system's performance. After adding refrigerant, check the pressure gauge one last time to ensure it falls within the manufacturer's recommended range, typically between 25 and 45 psi. Feel the air coming from your vents. It should now be noticeably colder. Once satisfied, disconnect the recharge hose from the service port. Remember to properly dispose of the empty refrigerant according to local regulations. Enjoy your newly recharged AC.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.